Welcome back to my channel today. We discussed about 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome. So, the 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome is built on the Silverado 5500 chassis, offering a robust foundation for your adventures. You'll have a choice of two engines, a 6.6L V8 gas engine or a 6.6L turbo diesel V8. Both deliver impressive power with 401 horsepower and 910 lbh-AT of torque for the gas engine, and 445 horsepower and 910 lbh-T of torque for the gas engine. In terms of dimensions, the 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome measures between 25 and 33 feet in length, with a width of 8.5 feet and a height of 11.5 feet. The gross vehicle weight rating, GVWR, ranges from 1, 500 to 2, 200, 0 pounds. Inside, you'll find ample space for up to 8 people, depending on the floor plan. The interior features premium materials, including vinyl ceilings, LED lighting, and solid surface countertops. You'll also appreciate the modern amenities like a 40-inch LED TV, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a premium sound system. Safety features include advanced collision mitigation, lane departure warning, and a rear-view camera. You'll also have peace of mind with Chevrolet's 3-year/36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 5-year/600,000-mile powertrain warranty. As for pricing, expect to pay between $120,000 and $200,000 depending on the model and features. Thanks for watching, and we will meet soon in next video.